Alright guys, so let's start with this video review of this projector, and let me tell you, I have done many reviews on this budget-friendly projectors, and all I can tell you is that they have become better and better each and every time I review one of them. So this is the Vankyo Laser 530W. I think W stands for white, but anyways, it is white, it is very small, it is very lightweight as well. And I like that the picture it offers, it actually looks very good. This is a 1080p projector. It doesn't have any HDR, or it doesn't have 3D either, which is a shame because I really like 3D on projectors. But the picture it offers, it actually looks very sharp, very clean, very colorful, and also very bright. As you guys can see right here, I'm just running this video for testing on YouTube, and it looks very, very clean. Let me grab the controller so I can show you some of the menus, some of the options that you guys have here. So one of the features that I like is the keystone adjustment. So over here it says horizontal calibration. You can actually move it, the screen. You guys notice how it moves sort of like sideways? I really like that. The reason being is because sometimes it's just not perfectly aligned to your screen. And with this, you have so many options. So this is the vertical calibration. And this is very useful, especially right now the projector is kind of in an angle. So this will make it look perfect. Also rotate. Oh man, this is so useful. Look how this rotates the whole picture until I got it perfect. And this, you guys have no idea how useful this is, because I have dealt with so many projectors, and sometimes you have to just play around with the base of the projector, and with these options it's just super fast and easy. So that's the keystone. Let's dig into the picture settings, and this is basically all the same. They look pretty much the same, and I like to use the standard mode. But once you click in here, you can choose, this is soft, this is user, so you can customize your own picture settings if you want to. This is vivid, of course it's going to be brighter, colors are more saturated, but honestly I really like standard mode. So let's go back over here, color temperature. I have this one on medium. You can also make adjustment in this one if you want to. Aspect ratio 16:9, noise reduction, I have this one turned off. Projector direction, you can choose whether it's in the front or maybe it's in the rear, maybe it's in the ceiling. HDMI mode, audio and video, and then reduce display size. So this is sort of like zoom. This is very useful just in case if you want to make your screen a little bit smaller. So it's 100%, 99%. You have so many options. This is very useful. I like this. I wish this option was more of like a dial that we can make those adjustments on the fly with manually, but at least we have the option here in the menus. Over here we have more of like the projector options, restore factory default, OSD, duration, keystone, update, and this is for sound. I have this one standard, audio, volume, and everything. All right, let's go back to the picture. Man, look at this picture. It's nice. I like this one. And also, one more thing I wanted to mention is that, you know, I'm in a dark room right now. Well, sort of dark because there's some sunlight coming from behind the screen. If I turn on the lights, the picture does get very washed out. So I highly recommend for you guys to have a dark room. I mean, if you have sort of like a ambient light coming in, that's fine, as long as you have a dark room. I'm also using a Cine widescreen by Elite Screens, which makes the picture a little bit better. Highly recommend. All right, so now let's jump into gaming. I connected my Xbox Series X, and the first thing I noticed is that right here in the options, TV and display options, we only have the option of 1080p or 720p. That's pretty much it. I mean, this is not a gaming projector, and over here on the TV signal, nothing is on green, because this is, like I said, this is 1080p. It's HDMI 1.4, I assume. Video modes only allow 50 Hertz or 24 Hertz, and that's it. I mean, this is not a gaming projector, but when playing, for example, Assassin's Creed Valhalla, the game looks nice. As a matter of fact, let me show you real quick. Look at this. It looks very nice. It looks colorful. I like it. I mean, this is not a very demanding game. This is a single player, and you pretty much enjoy this game nice in your home, not to worry about multiplayer. It's not very demanding, is what I'm trying to say. And the picture looks beautiful. This is 1080p. It looks nice, as a matter of fact. Now, I wouldn't recommend this to play Call of Duty. Trust me, this is, it's okay for single player games, but for this, oh man, no. These games are too demanding. Probably I'm gonna do pretty bad with it. Oh yeah, I normally do pretty bad with projectors like this. I don't know how the input lag is, but it's definitely up there. I can feel it for sure. So, highly recommend for single player games, not for Call of Duty. Another cool feature that I found about this projector and I really like is the screen mirroring. So let's go into the inputs and then screen mirroring option. Now over here you have the option, just in case if you have an Android phone system, this is the one that you're going to use. But let's say that you have an iOS, just press OK on the remote controller or on top of the projector, and it'll switch to screen mirroring for iOS. Since I have an Android system, I'm going to switch back to Android. And then on your phone, let me show you real quick. See if I can focus this. Oh, there you go. So on my phone, I'm just going to go down here. There's another option that says Smart View. There you go, Smart View. Oh, and there it is, the first one on the menu. Let's click on that, start mirroring, and should go there right now. There you go, super simple, super easy. And then I'm gonna click on one of these videos. I'm gonna click on this video that I went to Cancun, see how it works. Play that video, and there it is. The sound is also playing from the projector, so that's pretty awesome. And look at that. I like this. Pretty awesome stuff, right? All right, so here we have the lens, and then we have a sensor for the remote control. Then on top, here we have access for the menus, just touch buttons, and then we have the power button right here. Then on this side we have ventilation, and then we have access for the focus adjustment. This is where we focus the lens. There you go. Then on this side we have all the ports, and we have another ventilation here. We have all the ports, USB, 2 HDMI ports, one AV for audio, one 3.5mm jack, and then a slot for a micro SD card. And in the back we have a speaker grill, we have a sensor for the remote and the power port. Then right here at the bottom we have access for ceiling mount, just in case if you decide to ceiling mount the projector. It is very small, very lightweight. I like it. Also in the back there's an HDMI cable included. There is a power cable included as well. The remote, I've seen this remote many times, very lightweight. You still need two AAA batteries to operate it. Then we have an audio and video cable, just in case if you need to use one of this. It's in there. Some cleaning material, very useful. Then Vankyo also is including a portable projector screen. This is a 100-inch screen size. This is made of cloth. It's okay. I mean, if you want to travel and then you don't want to take a, you don't have the screen, you can use this. I don't recommend this for permanent use, but it's nice that they are including this. Alright guys, so overall, this is a nice projector for the price. I mean, it sells right now for $230, and there's a coupon that you get $30 discount, so pretty much it sells for $200. I mean, for a budget friendly projector, something that is lightweight, you can take it pretty much anywhere, and maybe you want to use it for your game room, maybe for your kids that want to watch some cartoons, and you don't want to spend a lot of money on a projector, but at the same time you want something that looks great or that looks good, has a nice picture and color punching. This is a really good offer, so I do recommend it for that. Once again, there's some things that I wish it would have. One of them is 3D option. I really enjoy watching 3D movies in a big screen, especially at home. Another thing that I don't like is the fan noise. In my personal opinion, I think it's too loud for me. But at the same time, you know, it has a nice speaker. Let me turn up the volume real quick. I mean, I think the speaker it sounds nice. It's very loud, and that is just like 30% right there. It is very loud in my opinion, and it's very, very clean. Also, I really like the keystone adjustment options that we have. I don't see those options in many projectors, so I really like that they included here. The focus wheel is getting better. I noticed that the image does look very clean for a 1080p, and also I don't see any big nail in the corners, so that's a plus. So there you have it guys, very simple, very easy for gaming. Well, if you're just playing single player games, highly recommend it. It's nice. I do not recommend this for multiplayer. It just doesn't feel good, especially for games, high demanding games like Call of Duty. I wouldn't play this on play that game on this projector. Otherwise, highly recommend it. Check out the description. There's going to be some links right there. You guys can check it out if you want and take advantage of that discount that is going on right now. Alright guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I'm Jolster, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Jolster out.